Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install Internet Download Manager, also known as IDM. So first of all, you'll want to search for Internet Download Manager and you'll have to come to this link. It's internetdownloadmanager.com. Now on the homepage, you can click on the Buy Now button or the free trial, depending on whether you want to test it out first or grab the full version. I'll go with the free trial for now. And here you'll have to click on Download Internet Download Manager. So once it's downloaded, open the file and the setup wizard will pop up. Now select your language and click on OK. Click on Next. Accept terms in the license agreement. You can choose your destination folder here, and you can also check this if you want to create an icon for IDM on desktop. I'll keep this as checked and click on Next. Click on Next again, and it will install the software now. Click on Finish. Once the software is installed, it will automatically integrate with your Google Chrome or Firefox, whichever software you're using. I'm using Google Chrome. So here you can enable the extension. Click on Enable. So I've already installed Internet Download Manager previously. That's why I've got this pop-up. But since you'll be using or downloading it for the first time, you'll be able to use the software normally for the 30 days trial. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in another video next time.